Good day everyone. On this tutorial, lessons discussed on Module 7 which are creating title block, converting title block into template, setting up the paper space viewport, integrating template and new environment, constructing, activating and deactivating of viewports and scaling of drawings according to the required standards will be demonstrated. Watch, practice and learn.
Okay, so this is the second to the last tutorial in this MOOC, which is creating title block. So as discussed on Module 7, so before creating a title block, you should be able to gather all the information needed in your title block, because the title block provides the details and information of the technical drawing. Okay, so I have here an example of a title block. So let us read some reminders. Okay, so the insertion is scale. It should be in centimeters. Okay, so the text height is 0.3 units. Then the paper size, which is the converted value of the 8.5 by 11 inches into centimeters, which is the 27.94 by 21.59. Then for the margin, 1 unit all sides. The title block header is 0.5 unit. Then the title block body is 1.5 unit. So we're talking of this one. Okay. This is the title head, and then this is the body and the title block text panels. So it varies. So, well, it depends on how long, what is your name is, then of course the size of the size of the event. Okay. So let us check now the units. Insertion scale is in centimeters. Okay. Then let us now create a rectangle. Specify the first corner. Okay. So let us now input the value, the converted value, okay, which is 27.94 by 21.59. Okay. And then command offset to create a margin, which is 1 unit on all sides. There you go. Okay. So you might want to explode this inner rectangle for you to be able to utilize the different component of this rectangle. Okay. So X for explode, then select this one, then enter. Okay. Then command offset, which is 1. Then another offset, which is 0.5. Okay. Next is I will put some line here for my reference. Okay. Maybe I will copy this one. And paste out on this one. Okay. So on the first block, so we should be able to put your name. On the second block, you should be able to type the name of the event, which is the MOOC, into the computer aided design. Okay. Then the school is CIT and UST. The sheet content is floor plan. The plotting scale was 1:100. Then the sheet number is 1 of 3. So therefore, we will be creating 3 title block for the 2 remaining sheets pa, okay? For the 2 of 3 and the 3 of 3, okay? So let me use the single line text. No, I will utilize the middle left as the justifying text, then specify the justifying text here, okay? Then our text height is 0.3, the rotation angle is 0. So we can now type, okay? Let's say name of student, okay? Then we can copy this one now, and then the midpoint, okay? There you go. And then let me type some name here. So let's say Juan de la Cruz, okay? There you go. Then let us move here like this one. There you go. Then copy. We copy that object. Let's put some here. Okay. Then the name of event, which is the MOOC in 2D computer aided design. Okay. Then let me copy this one. School. Then NEUST does CIT. Okay. So let us move this one away from the reference line. Copy again. We have here the sheet content. Let us floor plan. Copy. The plotting scale. 1:100 meters. Then copy again. For the sheet number. Okay. Let's say 1 of 3. Okay. So we could now extend this one. Well, the reason why I demonstrated this kind of inserting the details in your title block, since hindi naman kayo pare-pareho ng haba ng pangalan, so you can utilize, of course, the lower section, no, of your title block. So since nagkasya naman itong in example natin, gagawin na lang natin ay move na lang natin yung mga object papunta doon sa gitna. So from midpoint, something like this. Okay, there you go. So, gawa na natin yung ating title block. So, you might want to copy this one. Okay, then change the sheet content to roof plan. This one is, say, 2 of 3. This one to front elevation. Pandika siya, dagdagan na. Front eleb that will suffice. Then 3 of 3. Okay? So, gawa na natin yung tatlong title block. So, we need to convert this title block into template for us to be able to insert it later on the new environment. Okay? So, we will utilize the W block. So, the W block, tatandaan lang natin yung pick point, yung select object, and the file name and path wherein kung saan ninyo sisave yung mga templates ninyo para alam ninyo kapag in-insert ninyo sila. Okay, so sa pick point, so click natin to. Okay, so lower left corner lang nung papel. Okay, yan. Then select object. So advice ko sa inyo is retain na lang. Anyway, kahit alin sa tatlo ito gamitin ninyo, gagana pa rin naman yan. Makakapag-save pa rin kayo ng template. Okay, kapag retain, so of course, parang in standard pa rin na drawing, nandyan pa rin siya, pero nakapag-save ka ng template. Convert to block, so yung mismong isa-select mong object will be converted into block. At the same time, makakapag-save ka pa rin ng template. Then, delete from drawing, the selected object will be deleted after saving the template. Okay? So my advice is to select the retain. So select natin yung object natin. Just highlight the title block, not including the paper, yung sa outside rectangle natin. Then enter. Then save natin siya. Save natin yan dito sa MOOC. Okay, so lagay natin dito floor plan FP block. Yan, save. Then click natin yung okay. So again, so W block, the pick point, so that will serve also later as the insertion point. So on this tutorial, nag-demo lang ako nung para sa short bond paper. So pag nakuha niyo yung idea kung paano ginagawa to, you could apply this into another size of paper, doon sa long size bond paper natin, doon sa A3, okay, sa A1, sa A2, and others. Okay? And then, so nakapag-select na tayo. So save na lang din natin siya. So pangalanan natin siyang roof plan black. Okay? Then save. Then click. Okay. So 2 down and 1 to go. Okay? So W block. Then pick point, lower left corner. Then select object. On the side. Then enter. Okay, so save natin siya. Lagay naman natin yung front elevation block. Then save. Click OK. So all the title block now has been converted into template. So let us now switch, okay, doon sa ating drawing. Okay, so may naka-prepare na ako dito. Ito yung nakalagay doon sa module ninyo. So we have here layout 1, layout 2, okay? So dadagdag lang ako ng new layout. Of course, alam nyo na yung reason kung bakit ako nagdagdag, okay? So that is for the 3 drawings natin. Then kung saan natin i-insert yung ating title block, okay? So dun sa layout 1, so i-click natin ito. Yan. So type page setup, no, to open the page setup manager. So we will modify layout 1, modify. Okay? So dito sa flat style, no, select lang ninyo yung monochrome para lahat ng mga layers ninyo naka-black ay naka-colored will be converted into black. Okay? So ito yung size natin. Naka-landscape siya. Okay? So ito po yung mahalaga dyan, yung scale. So 1 inch is equals to 1 unit. So we will modify this one into 0.39. Okay? So 0.39 inch is equals to 1 unit. Okay? Then click okay. Then close. Okay? So as you can see, this is the output ng ginawa natin. Okay? So let us check the units on this one. So the insertion scales is on meters. So layout 2, no? So kung tinatamad ka mag-type ng page setup manager, pwede dito right click ka sa layout 2, then page setup manager. So let us modify it. Okay? So monochrome, landscape. So sometimes kapag ito ay naka-millimeters naman, so pwede nyo pa rin i-customize yan. Magiging 10 millimeter is equals to 1 unit naman. Yan. Okay, so pwede ninyong gamitin din yan. Click lang ninyo yung okay, then close. Okay, so sa layout 3, page setup manager, modify, okay, monochrome, so nagdagdag tayo, naka-default na siya sa AutoCAD PDF. So lagay lang natin yung none. So 0.39 inch equals to 1 unit, then click natin yung okay, then close. Okay, so I think nagkaroon ng konting problem doon sa ating layout 3 since the margin is not parang hindi equally distributed. So maybe we could copy this layout 2, right click, then move or copy, then move to end, create a copy. Okay. So, balik lang natin yan dyan. Ayan. Balik tayo sa layout 1. Select this one. So we call this the viewport. No, the viewport serves as the virtual model space. Okay. So as long as the viewport is deactivated, so anything that you will do to it, the model area will not be affected. No, but once you activate the viewport, so then may nagalaw ka dun sa loob nun, then the same yung mangyayari dun sa model area. Okay, so erase lang natin ito. Layout 2, ayan, erase lang natin. Okay, so sa layout 1, so insert. Okay, so we need to browse now kung saan natin sinave yung ating template a while ago. So unahin natin si floor plan. Okay, ayan siya. No. This is module 10. think doon natin sinave yun sa MOOC. There you go. Floor plan block, then open. Okay. So here, the value of 1 doon sa XYZ scale factor will be changed into 100. So the reason a while ago, the insertion scale that we utilize in creating your title block is in centimeters, then we will be inserting them doon sa new environment, which is ang kanyang insertion scale naman is meters. So we all know that 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter. So pag hindi natin binago yon, malamang maliit na maliit yung may insert ninyo. Okay? Then just click this one. There you go. Okay? Ayan. So nakapasok na yung ating title block doon sa ating paper space. Okay? So layout 2. Browse lang natin. Zero plan naman. Open. Okay. Sa ating copied layout 2. Hanapin natin si front elevation block. Okay. Then, open. Click. Then, drag. Yan. So, okay na. Nakasetup na yung ating paper space o yung ating layout, no? So ngayon magki-create tayo ng viewport. So again, si viewport is a virtual model space. So command MB, then press corner to corner here. So there you go. So as you can see kung ano yung laman ng model mo. Ayan siya. Yun din yung makikita mo doon sa viewport. Okay, so the same procedure. Again, MB, multiple viewport. Okay. MB. Okay. So let us activate this one, no? By typing MS. So you will be able to switch from paper space viewport into model space viewport. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin nun? So as you can see, pag nagsusum ako, nagsusum lang yung paper space. Okay? But once na naka-activate na yung viewport ninyo, so doon na kayo makakapag-zoom sa loob. No? Ibig sabihin nun, activated na yan, pwede na natin siyang maayos. Okay, based on the discussion on Module 7, so we did discuss there on how to scale a drawing, no? So you will be utilizing the computed NXP value. Okay, so let us, since 1:100 yung nakalagay sa atin, so we will be utilizing the 1XP. Okay, so Z, enter, then 1XP. Yan, so napansin nyo, nag-zoom siya ng konti. So ibig sabihin na naka-scale yan ng 1:100. So deactivate natin siya by typing PS, no? So switching from model space viewport into paper space viewport. Okay, so para hindi na siya gumagalaw. Okay, so sa layout 2, so kung tinatamad kayong mag-MS, so double click lang naman nyo yung inside ng viewport para ma-activate yan. Okay, then ayan, command zoom, then 1XP. Ayan. So iayos lang ninyo, gitna lang naman ninyo ng konti para medyo magandang tignan. Then double click outside the viewport to deactivate it. Okay, so MS, tutok natin to. Z, enter 1XP. Ayan. Double click. Okay. Ayan. So, ready na yung inyong drawing para i-print, no? So, it will be demonstrated doon sa ating last tutorial. Okay? So going back to the model space, I think I'm finished discussing on demonstrating your module 7. Okay? Thank you and see you dun sa last tutorial. Bye-bye!